To install Cavitybatt or Cavitylite into a drywall, you will need these essential tools and equipment. Firstly, a sharp knife or blade for cutting bats to size and slitting where necessary. Next, you'll need the right size track and studs to frame the wall. We'll also need gyprock rhino board, rhino tape, and 25mm streaker screws to secure the drywall. Don't forget a level, a frame cutter, a pencil for marking, measuring tape, and a drill to install the screws. Remember, safety comes first. Always wear the relevant PPE, like gloves and goggles when installing. With all of this checked off, we're ready to go. Begin by installing the gyprock Ultra Seal drywall framework and seamlessly cladding the first layer with gyprock rhino board, strictly adhering to the specification. As you continue with the boarding, install Cavitybatt insulation. Remember to slit the Cavitybatt around all the service pipes before cladding the remaining drywall. Make sure that when you're installing Cavitybatt insulation, it is snugly butted together and pressed up against the studs. This way, we can achieve the thermal and acoustic performance we're aiming for. Now, it's time to clad the other side of the drywall installation. Unpack Cavitylite rolls only as needed to minimize storage issues and ensure sufficient use of the product. Accurately measure the floor-to-ceiling height with your tape measure. Cut each section of Cavitylite, but remember to not over-trim. We need the insulation to fully fill the studs for the best results. Once again, remember to slit the Cavitylite around all service pipes before cladding the remaining drywall. Check carefully for any gaps along the top, bottom, or sides of the insulation. Gaps may compromise the acoustic performance. If you spot any, make sure to fill them up completely. And there you have it, simple steps to ensure snug and effective insulation in your living space. Cavitylite and Cavitybatt both deliver acoustic excellence, fire safety in your home, a lightweight design for easy installation, long-lasting durability, and a more energy-efficient space. The only difference lies in the form and the installation process. Cavitybatt comes in bats, while Cavitylite comes in a roll. Choose what suits your project needs today. Stay cozy and quiet with our installation solutions.